Class, our today's new topic is HCF. HCF means highest common factor. And what is factor, you all know. If I am talking about 12 and if it is divided by 2, then 2 6 are 12. So you all know factor. 2 is a factor of 12. In my previous video I explained you what is factor. So 2 is the factor of 12. So what is factor? When a dividend is divided by divisor and if your remainder is 0, then we can say divisor is the factor of that dividend. But class, in this time we are talking about highest common factor. So if I am talking about common, so when we use this word common, it means we are comparing. It means we are talking about two objects or two numbers or two things. So in maths we are talking about numbers. So common factor. So common factor means if I am talking about 12 and I am talking about 18. 2 9s are 18. So 2 is also the factor of 18. So 2 is the factor of 12 and 2 is also the factor of 18. It means 2 is a common factor of 12 and 2 is a common factor of 12 and 18. But class, here they also indicate highest. So it means highest common factor means there are so many common factors of 12 and 18, but we only concentrate on the highest common factor. So let's see, if I am talking about 12, so the factor of 12 are 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12 and 12 1 are 12, you all know. And if I am talking about 18, the factor of 18s are 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18, 6 3 are 18 and 9 2 are 18 and 18 1 are 18. So these are the factor of 12, these are the factor of 18, but we are talking about common factor. So common factor between 12 and 18 are 2, 3, 6. So these three are the common factor, but also we are concentrate on highest common factor. So which one is the highest number between these three? 2, 3 and 6. 6 is the highest number. So the highest common factor between 12 and 18 is equal to 6. So this is how you find the HCF of any number. Now class, our second topic is LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Again here we are talking about multiple. Again we are talking about two numbers and we are comparing them. And first we find the common multiple. So suppose I am again talking about 12 and 18. In this time I am talking about multiple. So you all know multiple. I explained you in my previous video what is multiple. So if I am talking about 12, so 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72 and so on. When we multiply 12 by any number, then we can get the multiple of that particular number. If I am talking about 18, so the multiple of 18 are 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 18 4s are 72, 18 5s are 90 and so on. So class, here again we are talking about multiple. So multiple of 12 is this: 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. The multiple of 18s are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90. But here we are again talking about common multiple. So common multiples are 36 and 72. So there are so many common multiples class, like 36, 72 and other also. But here we are talking about least common multiple. So which one is the least common multiple? 36. So this is how you find the least common multiple. Next topic is class twin prime numbers. Class, you all know prime numbers means the number which are divisible by 1 and itself, like 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, like this. So class, twin prime numbers are the number whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. Like class, if I am talking about 3 and 5, so the difference is 2, so 3 and 5 are called twin prime numbers. If I am talking about 39 and 41, then the difference is 2, so 39 and 41 is also the twin prime number. Class, our new topic is prime factorization. So class, prime factorization is a word which comes from the word prime and factors. So you all know prime numbers and you all know factors. So when class I am talking about any number, like if I am talking about 50, suppose this is our number, and if I want to divide this number by prime factorization method, class, factorization means you just find the factor of this particular number. So those numbers should be prime number. Understand? So you understand first prime numbers, what is prime number, and you all know what is factor. So how we factorize this 50? For that class we have a specific method. I make this kind of lines here, and now if I want to divide this 50 by the least prime number, so find that number. So class, you all know prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19. These all are prime numbers. So if I am talking about 50, by which prime number we can divide this? 2. We can divide this 50 by 2. So 2, 25 is 50. You can multiply these two and you can get this. So this is your quotient class. 2 25 is 50. Now if I am talking about 25, by which prime number you can divide this? 2, no. 3, no. 5, yes. So by 5 we can divide this. So 25 upon 5 meaning is 5. Again this 5 is only divided by 5. So 5 upon 5, 1. So actually class, if I write any number in front of this, the meaning is divide. The meaning is divide and the meaning is divide. So 50 divided by 2, 25. 25 divided by 5, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. So you can see, we can write 50 as 2 into 5 into 5, and you can see these all are prime numbers and all are the factor of 50. The factor of 50 is 2 into 5 into 5, and this is called prime factorization. Understand? One more example, 72. So start with 2, 36 is 72, 2, 18 is 36, 2, 9 is 18, 3, 3 is 9, 3, 1 is 3. So this is the factorization of 72. The meaning is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is called the prime factorization.